Hey guys, it's Larilyn with House of Okotie Design. Hopefully everyone's doing well today. Guess what I stumbled across? Wooden thread spools, vintage, and a whole box. They are the Talon brand for 19 cents, guys. This one, 40 yards of tex thread. This one here is called Lily USA, 15 cents. Here's our customary Coats and Clark here. This one was for 38 cents. Another Coats and Clark for 15 cents. And guess what I'll be using these to test out? I have the vintage Singer 1938 machine. It's actually the 1588-89 version, and I will be fully refurbishing this machine. So please follow me as I show you this beauty. I actually picked it up today. So it's not the prettiest, but remember, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So there we go. This is it. And it's drop-in top. And there it is. The Singer 1938 1588 unit. It even has a reverse stitch, guys. There's a built-in motor, and look, it has the treadle. Manually powered sewing. So watch me as I refurbish this beauty, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.